seasons quickly change. Sometimes the present feels confusing and strange. But when the light gets dim and the quiet starts to fall, I close my eyes and let my mind recall. I go back to that place where the sun was always gold, a chapter in my life that will never grow old. It's like finding a small treasure buried deep beneath the sand, a gentle, precious feeling held safely in my hand. These are the gold in my mind, the memories shining true. Every perfect moment spent walking right beside you. The laughter echoes louder than any sound I hear today. A beautiful collection that will never fade away. They are the brightest stars in my internal night, my collection of the past, bathed in a gentle light. First time we drove out to the sea, the reckless, easy freedom, just you and just me. The silly little inside jokes, the way we used to dance, living purely in the moment by sheer beautiful chance. I don't regret the passing of those days that went so fast, because the feeling they created is a monument built to last. It's like finding a small treasure buried deep beneath the sand, a gentle, precious feeling held safely in my hand. These are the gold in my mind, the memories shining true. Every perfect moment spent walking right beside you. The laughter echoes louder than any sound I hear today. A beautiful collection that will never fade away. They are the brightest stars in my internal night, my collection of the light. Though I can't return there, and the moment has now gone, the warmth they leave behind me helps me carry on. They are the proof that joy existed, wild and strong and free. The best part of my history is the memory of we. These are the gold in my mind, the memories shining true. Every perfect moment spent walking right beside you. The laughter echoes louder than any sound I hear today. A beautiful collection that will never fade away. They are the brightest stars in my internal night, my collection of the past. The best part of my past, the golden